Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you, students? I hope you will be fine. I welcome you all to this new course, Intercom 2000. As you know, we have started English language classes. Till now, we have taken 6 classes about English language. And inshallah, this series will be going on. We will cover 4 books, Intercom 2000. Intercom Book 1, Book 2, 3 and 4. After completing these books, you will be able to speak English fluently. There will be no problem, there will be no obstacle in your communication skill. You must follow this book for learning English language. In the previous class, we talked about demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. We learn these demonstrative pronouns is I told earlier that we use the demonstrative pronouns for indication. Whenever we want to indicate someone or something, we use the demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. In today's lecture, we will talk about here be verbs. We will talk about what? Be verbs. Be verbs here means is are. They are called be verbs. Now the question is raised. What is the function of be verbs? As we know, be verbs is MR. They are also used in the present continuous tense. In the present. Whenever we are talking about that thing which is going on right now, we use there the be verbs. Look at here, BSMR. If we take the example here, the present continuous is a helping verb. Present continuous tense. Now look at here. He is, simple example, he is playing. He is playing cricket. वो cricket खेल रहा है. He is playing cricket. But here it shows the action. Here it shows what? This sentence. Look at here. This is the sentence which belongs to present continuous tense. He is playing cricket. It shows us that the action is going on. That the action is happening right now. The present continuous tense. We will take here Ali and Waqar. Ali and Waqar. Ali and Waqar are taking the class. Taking the class. Ali and Waqar are taking the class. Now look at here, it shows us what? It helps this word, which is called a helping verb, it helps the main verb here. It doesn't show us the condition or the existence of someone or something. At this time, it just shows us the time. In which era, in which period the action is happening. It also helps the main verb, which is taking. Ali and Waqar are taking the class. And another example, I am learning. I am learning English. I am learning what? I am learning English. M we use with I. With he, she, it we use is. With plural pronouns they, we, you, we use are. Because look at here, Ali and Waqar plural. Right. In one sentence, Ali and Waqar. So we will put here are. So it means all these helping pronouns, they are what? They are helping verbs. They help the main verb. They also show what the time, at which time the action is going on or happening. Here these be verbs, they are used as a helping verbs. But there the condition is something else. Now we will talk about that. What is the difference between this and that? Be verbs. Let me show that. We have to talk about now be verbs. Be verbs, what is the function of this? The function of be verbs is MR. Be verbs be verbs are used to show. Be verbs are used to show the condition are the existence of someone or something. We use be verbs. Whenever these verbs SMR, when they are used in the present continuous tense, it means they show their time. They help the main verb. Because the action is there, the main verb is already available there. It just helps the main verb. Are you getting the point or not? In the present continuous tense, whenever we are making a sentence, look at here, in the present continuous tense, I am teaching English. He is going to Peshawar. He is playing cricket. You are watching me right now. So look at here, at that time, whenever they are used in the present continuous tense, so they just help the main verb. They just show the time. Okay? But here in these sentences, the main verb will not be there. They will play the role of the main verb in the sentence. Look at here, be verbs are used to show the condition or the existence of someone or something. For example, if I say, example, Ali is in Peshawar. Ali is in where? Where is Ali? Ali is in Peshawar. So it means I'm talking about Ali existence. I want to know the existence of Ali. and here it shows what? The existence. And here it plays the role of the main verb. Here it is not a main verb, keep in your mind. Here it is what? It is a main verb. For example, if there is, there is a principal in school or college. If he is not available in school or college, so who will play the role of him? Vice principal will play the role of that person. Here also, if the main verb is not, the principal is not available, so who will play the main role? Be verbs. They will play the role of the main principal. Right? Are you getting the point or not? Very easy. Ali is in Peshawar. Ali Peshawar mein hai. Present, simple present tense. This is what? This is simple present tense. Keep in your mind. You might be thinking, how? This is present indefinite or present simple tense. Because it shows us the present time. Right? He is. You might be thinking that doesn't do. They come in present continuous in the present simple present tense. Yes, of course, but the action must be there. But here the action, we are not talking about any action. We are talking about only the existence of the condition of someone or something. Right? So here it shows the existence of Ali. Ali is in Peshawar. Ali Peshawar mein hai. And this is main verb here, right? Is MR. No, another example. For example, you, for example, you are fine. You are what? You are fine. Now look at here, I'm talking about what? I'm talking about the condition. You are fine. Now here it shows what? The condition. Here it shows what? The condition. How are you? How are you? Right. Another example here. For example, I am in Noshehra. I am in Noshehra. Now look at here, M again, it shows what? The existence. We use there all these be verbs. Be verbs again. Be verbs are used to show the existence or the condition, the condition or the existence of someone or something. Now this is your responsibility. You must do practice on these be verbs. Keep in your mind, don't take the example of the action, those sentence which have the action. You just take general or simple examples. For example, you just talk about the existence or the condition of someone or something. For example, how are you? For example, we'll take the simple example, how are you? You will say, I am fine. I'm just talking, I just want to know about your condition. How are you? Aap kaise hain? You are fine. That's good. Okay. Where is Kamran? Kamran is in Peshawar. Now look at here. We are talking about what? We are talking about the existence of someone. Okay. Where is Islamia College? Islamia College is in Peshawar. Okay. Where is the capital of Pakistan? The capital of Pakistan is in Islamabad. Very good. We are talking about the existence of something. We want to know our capital location. Okay. Where is Karachi? Karachi is in Sindh. Okay. which one is the biggest province? Balochistan is the biggest province in Pakistan. Now look at here, we are talking about the condition, right? Okay. Where is a U Park? A U Park is in Rawalpindi. Very good. So these were the examples. You should also take some sample examples and do practice on these be verbs. And again, I would like to say be verbs are used to show the existence or the condition of someone or something. Be verbs, they are used in two cases, in two conditions. Whenever there is main verb in the sentence, so it helps there of the main verb, and if there is no main verb, so it plays the role of the main verb there, and at this condition, it shows the existence or the condition of someone or something. Share these videos to your friends, colleagues, and relatives through WhatsApp, Messenger, and Facebook. That would be very kind of you. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks a lot.